So about a week ago, I bought myself a mechanical feel keyboard from Amazon for about £20. And I got it, the LEDs were absolutely trash. The keys didn't feel great, like I really wanted to feel that mechanical feel, and I didn't have enough money for a full mechanical keyboard. It would have cost me at least £100. So I checked on eBay and looked at a few YouTube reviews and came across this, the Ajazz AK33 keyboard. So originally, the only place you could buy these keyboards were online at aliexpress.com, which required a delivery from China, which takes about 2 or 3 weeks. But recently there have been new stockists on eBay, which are pretty much selling for the same price, so it's pretty good. I picked this up for £50 with free shipping, and it came in about 2 to 3 days. I am extremely chuffed with it, like it looks incredible. As you can see in these shots, the LEDs are just so bright compared to my other keyboard I got from Amazon, which only really managed to cover about half of the keys on each key, so there was only like a little bit of light coming through. It wasn't bright at all. I was really disappointed. But this keyboard has so many features, so many different modes, colours, and it's just super bright. So I'll give you an example of all of the colours and different modes now, so just sit back and enjoy the light show. Now, as for the real reason that you bought the mechanical keyboard in the first place, the typing. So, the keyboard uses Ajazz branded mechanical blue switches, which are made to replicate the famous Cherry MX blue switch found in many Razer and Corsair keyboards, which fall under the budget category of, I'm not even going to go there, £150 to £200, so that was kind of off the cards for me as I'm still a student and I'm still studying. But having not owned any mechanical keyboard before, I must say these switches feel incredible. Like, I feel like I can do coursework so much faster with these switches because they're so much more precise. You know when you've touched the key, and it just sounds incredible. I've recorded a little bit of footage with my new microphone and my camera just to show you what the keyboard sounds like, so here it is. So yeah, you get the idea. Anyway guys, that pretty much wraps up the end of my first review on this channel, Budget Tech Reviews, and if you liked it, please give it a like, and if you're new here, which most of you will be because it's my first video, it would really help me if you would subscribe, because I will be doing more reviews like this, cheap, budgetable tech. If you want to know more about the channel, check out the video in the link below, and I will also leave a link to the keyboard in the description. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.